Okay, we're in 55.3 exercises, and here the instruction says obtain two sets of factors for x4 minus 7x squared plus 4, where this can be done without using imaginary numbers. So, my claim about this over here is that you might be confused by the question, and certainly I think a lot of modern students would be confused by the question. Let me just open up the document on my computer, because I have to go to the whiteboard to fit it in, and I got to open it up. So just give me 1 second. As Wells. And we're in section 55, right? Yeah, 55 already. So let's get to 55. And as you notice, a very lengthy document. And part of being a lengthy document, it becomes difficult to navigate at times because it's so long. But anyway, I'm going to go to the whiteboard, and I'm going to copy the problem down. So let's write this down. And the problem is x4. Let's see, minus 7x squared, and then plus 4. All right? So they say, factor it. And, certainly if I were trying to do that, you could say, x squared. There's a problem, though, because you're never going to get to 7 with that 4 there. And then you might say, I'll go to complex numbers or something, but they say you can't do complex numbers. So what I want to do is talk about, maybe another way of doing it, and it's sort of like, completing the square, so to speak. So to do that, what I want to claim is I kind of look at that 4. Let me write this down again. x4, and I see the 4 there, right? That's a plus 4. Then say, how could I complete that? Well, I'm going to say the middle might be minus 4x squared. And then what would you get over there? You would get minus 3x squared, right? Now, I'm hoping you realize that they're equal. And so why would you have done that? Because this is a perfect square. And what would you get over there? You would get x squared minus 2 quantity squared, and I get minus 3x squared, all right? That's certainly a success story, but I still don't have it factored. But now it's a difference of perfect squares. Let's write this down. It's going to be x squared minus 2 plus root 3x, and it's going to be x squared minus 2 minus root 3x, all right? If you want to rearrange that, I'll do that now, so it's in the proper order. You don't have to, by the way. Yeah, I got it, yeah, put it over here. You can check and multiply it out. But they said they want it done 2 different ways. So then the question is, what's the second way to do it? Well, that might require a little bit of thinking on your end, but I guess what I could do instead is I could write this as x squared. Instead of minus 4x squared, I could have said plus 4x squared. Plus 4. And then it would be minus 11x squared. It's still equal to that. I mean, 4x squared minus 11x squared is still minus 7x squared. Why would I do that? This becomes a perfect square. And what is that perfect square going to be? X plus 2 squared. And it's minus 11x squared. All right? What do you do now? It's a difference of perfect squares. You get x plus 2 minus root 11x. X plus 2 plus root 11x. I'm just going to reorder it. X minus root 11x plus 2, x plus root 11x plus 2. Put a box in this. And certainly I want to look at the answer, okay, and see how we did. All right, get my red pen out, or my red marker. And did I get the first guy? And let's take a look at that. I see the x squared. Yep, I see the plus root 3x minus 2, x squared minus root 3x minus 2. I got that one. That's good news. Let's see if we got the other one. X minus 11 root x plus 2, and x plus root 11x plus 2. Everything is working out pretty much as advertised. Thank you.